Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will address a common issue with the Dyson HS01 SE hairdryer, which is that it turns off after a short period of use. This is often due to a blocked filter that prevents proper airflow, causing the device to overheat and shut down for safety reasons. Let's dive into the steps to resolve this issue. First, ensure that your hairdryer is unplugged before starting any maintenance. Safety is paramount. You will need a few tools for this process: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a cloth for cleaning. Begin by removing the filter cover. Locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the filter cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the filter cover to expose the filter. Next, inspect the filter for any visible debris or blockages. If the filter appears dirty, use your soft brush to gently clean it. Be thorough but careful not to damage the filter mesh. If the filter is excessively dirty, you may need to wash it under lukewarm water. Ensure it is completely dry before reassembling. While you're at it, check the air intake area for any obstructions. Dust and hair can accumulate here, further restricting airflow. Use your cloth to wipe down this area, ensuring it is clean and free from debris. If you find that the filter is clean but the hairdryer still shuts off, it may be worth checking the internal components. This requires a bit more disassembly. Carefully remove the casing by unscrewing the additional screws located around the device. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once the casing is off, inspect the internal components for any signs of damage or overheating. Look for burnt wires or components that may need replacing. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify any underlying issues without any pressure to commit to repairs. After inspecting the internals, reassemble the device by reversing the steps taken. Ensure all screws are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening, which can cause damage. Before plugging the hairdryer back in, double-check that everything is in place and that no tools are left inside the device. Once you're confident, plug it in and test it out. If it still turns off, it may be time to consider professional help. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Our service is designed for your convenience, with no calls and no travel required. You can simply arrange for us to pick it up, and we'll provide a quote before any repair work begins. In conclusion, maintaining your Dyson HS01 SE hairdryer is essential for its longevity and performance. Regularly cleaning the filter and ensuring proper airflow can prevent overheating issues. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Keeping your device in top condition will ensure it serves you well for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.